Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin Up, and today we'll be making the Card Keeper Kit. I love how this kit helps you organize cards in a beautifully designed box. But what's a card keeper without cards? This kit also gives you all the supplies to create 10 cards, including printed sentiments in English, French, German, and Dutch. As we walk you through the steps to complete this kit, feel free to pause or rewind the video. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Let's get started. Now you're organized and prepared to wish someone happy birthday, send well wishes, or a sweet note just because. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kits Collection to choose your next creative experience. Until next time, enjoy!